There are literally hundreds of business ideas for the RustOff from am.co.za. Here's one. How about mag wheel restoration? Here, this client was unhappy with the spray job on the mag wheels, and we used the RustOff to remove the paint and get it paint ready again. With the RustOff, you can play around with the wattage settings and use different patterns to get different substrates paint ready. And what about the overspray on the tyres? Well, that comes off easily as well. So it's not only for rusted surfaces, it's also for paint preparation as well. And there you go, another great idea that you can use the RustOff for.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.